friends. Alright, you guys. Hollow Your Heart, and then I have Champagne Sugar out. Now, I saw today, hang on, I'm pulling up my phone. Color Street posted this earlier. Super, super cute, right? But there were a couple people that were like, don't post ideas if you're not posting a video how to do them. I was like, hey, I love that set. I'll make a video of it. Alright, so 2 things here. There it is plain over there. Here it is with Champagne Sugar. Now, I might think Champagne Sugar takes too much away from it, but also it's hard to tell on my pinky. So I'm not going to make my end decision until I get out here to my bigger fingers. So, anyway, there we go. Hi everybody, if you're new here, I am Stacy of Stacy's Sassy Styles. I am not a stylist. I am just a lover of Color Street. Have never been a stylist. Will never be a stylist. I'm just super content being an addict. Alright, so I'm going to do something a little different on my art finger, which for her, she just left this finger whole, full nailed, which, you know, I am going to do it full nailed, but I'm going to do a little bit different situation. Oh, that's glorious, you guys. That's so pretty. And I did take a sec to make sure my nails were nice and squared up, because I do think that plays a big role in this look, is to have nice square tips. Now, taking this end, and I'm just cutting on the lines, you guys. Literally nothing fancy to this. Should be super, super easy. And then I'm going to line it up. And then they meet up on the sides for me, but I have pretty short fingers. Pretty short nail beds, that is. Well, and short fingers, I guess, too, but oh yeah, much better. I love that. I love that it just leaves that little diamond in the middle. Super cute. Okay. Okay, so now if I decide I'm doing Champagne Sugar on all these, then I will have a Champagne Sugar on there also. I still have a little flicks of glitter floating around from the stuff I removed earlier. Okay, so take the plastic off, because otherwise you're going to be very crabby. Cut one end down. Put one end on. There we go. Oh, why is it? It's beautiful, you guys. This set is stunning. So stunning. There we go. And then on this one, again, we're just following the lines. To the best of our bad scissor abilities that I have, you guys. And I do think that this might be a little bit of a struggle if you have super long nails. Like, I don't think it's gonna... Oh, dang it. Look at that. I crapped it up. I don't think it's something that'll work for every nail length. There we go. Crapped it up and fixed it all in seconds. And then I got a bit to trim there. Excuse me. I don't think this is a style that will work, especially this part won't work for everybody, because you're gonna need to have, you know, it's pretty small amount there. You're gonna need to have a pretty short bit. Okay, let's try our middle finger and see what we like better. I'm just cutting it in half for ease of handling. And then I'm using my tweezers to peel this bit up, just because I'm hoping not to like curl it or anything, you guys, because it's not much, you know. This would be really perfect on somebody with very short nails. Which, I don't have super short nails, but they're short enough right now that I think this is gonna work for me. And then with the square tip, it's so cute. Yeah, I like that. All right, and then the other side. And I mean, you could do it on really long nails, but if you did, a lot of your nail is gonna show. Like, it's not gonna protect your nails very well. On the one that they shared on the page, they had used Clear as Day over it. I'm just not like super fan of Clear as Day. I figure if I'm gonna do clear, I'll just do a polish. And otherwise, we have so many good glitter overlays. That's what I want to use at all times. Smooth it down. Good night. And then you can leave that if you want. You don't even need to use a overlay of any sort if you don't want. I would though. Pretty easy. This is pretty easy. I mean, you're not cutting anything tricky. You're just following what they already have outlined here. Cute, you guys. I don't know who the original person is. Like, I don't know who they shared from, but it did turn out cute. After I get edges and such cleaned up, it'll be even cuter. All right, let's try a champagne sugar on that now. And see, now that I've got a bigger space to look at it. It's always hard to tell on my pinky. Well, okay. I do like the champagne sugar because I'm always glad to add some glitter, you guys. But I think it takes away from the 3 tones of it. Let's see here. Let me see something. That guy can wait to get used in a minute here. And this is just some C&D Vinylux, which gives a nice glassy finish. Any old top coat will do. You're just gonna, let's see if I can clean these ends up just a little bit. Yeah, you'll have to decide which one you like best, I guess. Honestly, I don't know. Like, because champagne sugar goes so good with it, with the silver and the gold glitter in it, you guys. But also, you know, I don't want it to, like, distract from it. I can't pick. Oh, I can't pick. I'm not sure. Okay, let's finish these. So welcome if you're new here, by the way. If you are a Color Street addict also and would like to see millions of different ways to use them, hit the subscribe. I put out 2 to 3 videos a week just using Color Street in different ways. I also do 25 days of Nailmas, which is coming up on us real fast. Kicks off November 25th, and for 25 days we will do a new holiday seasonal nail set. I can't wait. You guys, it really is so cute. It's so cute. What are we on? Our thumbs. I'm torn what I want to do on my thumb. Originally, I was gonna do like this, and I love that look. But now I think I might want to do that because I do really like these. They're cute. Okay. Just do it, okay? Just do it, Stacy. There we go. You guys, Tartar is stretching using the back of my desk chair, and I have a fear of him accidentally getting hold of my hiney and clawing in. I don't think he has a fear, the same as I have a fear. I don't think we have the same fear. So if I'm ever doing a video and just start screaming, you'll know why. He's finally stretched too far. Well, those allergies are bonkers right now. If you can't hear in the background, which I imagine you can. A little nip nip on the sides. I mean, look at that, you guys. That is gorgeous. Okay. I don't know what. I'm sure you could do something. Let me get that cut. Sure you could do something with those bits too. The color of these, you guys, the hollow on it, buckets. There's so much. There's so much. It's gorgeous. Okay. I better get the tweezer for this. Yeah, the squared off nails, or Scoville, whichever one you want to call it, really does help give it the right look also. All right. there it is. What do you guys say? Champagne sugar or no? That finger there, that little bit that I added is gorgeous. And then it's just a matter of cleaning up the tips and putting on. I do think I like it better without the champagne sugar, which is amazing to me because pretty sure champagne sugar just makes life in general better. But there we go. Some top coat and we'll be golden. See you guys soon.